Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY Christmas decoration that'll set you apart from your neighbors and make you the best on the block. So for this build you're going to need a couple things. First of all, the lights. If you have multicolored ones, that works fine, but preferably a solid color like green or white will work amazing. Next, you're going to need a big structural piece which can either be wood or PVC pipe, and you can find that at your hardware store, along with a hooked screw that you're going to put into your wood or PVC pipe to hold on to the lights. And then you're going to need another hooked but longer piece of metal that you can put into the ground to hold the lights in there. But wait, before you go out buying stuff, you're going to have to do a little bit of math to find out how tall you can make your tree. First of all, you got to find out how long your string of lights are. Personally, I had 124 feet. So from that, you're going to subtract a little bit, just an estimation, I did around 8 feet, I believe. And then from that, you're going to divide it by 12. Once you take that number that you've now divided by 12, you're going to multiply it by sine 75 degrees. You don't need a special calculator or anything for this, you can just type it into Google. And whatever that answer is how tall you're going to need for your structural piece, whether it's PVC pipe or lumber. Okay, now that we've done all the calculations and gotten all the material, it's time to build. Alright, we got it all set up. We're gonna just go outside and build it now. I'm excited. Hopefully you can be quick though, because it's pouring with rain.
What a beautiful day to be outside.
So, when I first did the calculations, I looked online and the box said it was 62 feet per line. But now it's 50, so I'm making some changes. Doing some math on the fly. For anyone wondering, for my change of calculations, all I did was change the total length at the start of it, and then I went through the whole calculation again to get a new total height for the pole, and then I just adjusted the pole by sawing it. In the next couple scenes, you're going to see me marking out how far from the pole I want the pegs, and you find that out just by performing the same calculation, but when you get to the point where you do the length sine 75 degrees, instead of sine you're going to do cosine. So if you're putting it in Google, instead of SIN you're going to type in COS, and that's the distance you're going to do from the pole so that you get the right angle.
So it just started snowing, so this is really fun.
Now, I could have stopped there, but I wasn't satisfied with good enough, so I started adding colored lights on it as well. And here's the big reveal. Overall, I'm super happy with how this turned out. Obviously, I would have preferred that it was taller, because bigger is always better, but I really liked how it turned out. Obviously, you can see that I added a couple of gifts because we had those lying around just to add a little bit more to the scene. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, leave a like. Other than that, have a Merry Christmas. I hope everybody gets what you wanted. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for coming by.